Hey guys, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to get onto the color printer. I finally got it to a point where it's working. So you'll go to printlogic.norman.ps.norman.k12.ok.us, and it will take a minute to load. This is the part that wasn't working. If it shows up just NPS over here on the left, then you're going to have to click here on menu and sign out and then sign back in. So here's our problem. If you're able to get here, our color printer is not on the map yet. So if you just scroll down further, you'll find this one that ends in C27. That's the one you want. So you click that once, and this will pop up. You say yes, and it's going to pop up and do a couple of things. Yours may not be as quick as this because mine, I have already installed it and uninstalled it to show you the video, so hopefully it'll go pretty quickly so you don't have to sit here and watch this, but that's all that you have to do. And then once this installs, I will show you how to change the name so that it's easier to find when you're actually printing things. So okay, there we go. It is installed. So you go, it says it's been installed successfully. If you go down here to System Preferences, Printers and Scanners, right here, if you click the one that ends in C27 and say Options and Supplies, I like to change it to Color in the Library, just so I know where it's at. And of course, if you go to different schools, you might say Monroe Library. So that way it's easier to identify. And I tried this and it actually worked. So if your print logic for whatever reason is not coming up, let me know and we can try to figure out that problem. Also, you could, if you've got it here, you could click at the top of your screen and add it that way, but it just takes you to the same place. So printlogic.normanps.norman.k12.ok.us is where you're going to go, and that will get you taken care of. Let me know if it doesn't work or you have any problems. Thanks, guys.